Hello guys, this is Abhinav. This is my Yamaha R15 V3. Today I'm getting its second service done. It's done about 3,000 kilometers so far. I'm not at a Yamaha service center, I must say. I'm at Speed Monks because I trust these guys with that motorcycle. And today, before I get my service done, I'm going to show you something. This is a radiator guard that I've ordered for my motorcycle. I got it from AliExpress. I think it cost about 3,500 rupees. I'll put the exact price on the screen somewhere over here. Alright, time to unbox this. Okay, cutter and just cut it open. Alright, it says R15. This is the little radiator guard. I'm going to show it here as well. So, where will it fit? Somewhere over here. Let me get a camera and show that. Okay. Alright. This is how it will go in. So it covers the entire opening that is here and it will protect this. Guys, this radiator guard, this is of very good quality. If you let's just try and put things into perspective. I think this is about some 3,000 rupees. I've forgotten how much. I'd ordered it from AliExpress. If you get a radiator guard from, let's say, a company like Evotech for the Triumph Street Triple which I have, that would cost you about 7,000 rupees. So I mean, yes, that's a bigger bike, this is a small bike, but the quality is not bad at all. This is very good quality, so I don't mind paying this kind of money for the sort of protection that it will offer me on the radiator. What happens is, when you ride on surfaces which are not ideal, when there are some small pebbles, stones on the road, little stones they fly up and they can hit the radiator. Well, this radiator is mounted very high, so the chances of that happening are very little, but still I thought no harm in having this here. This is where it will sit. That is the nut where it will fit. I'll have to go on the other side. इसमें नीचे माउंट करने को कुछ नहीं है?
नहीं, एक ही माउंट।
अच्छा, सेफ रहेगा ये? That's it, guys. The radiator mount is installed. Sorry, the radiator guard is installed. It covers the entire thing. I think this will be safe enough.